Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Kleenline, is the manufacturer, all stainless steel, 20-inch wide belt conveyor. As you see, it has the matte tabletop chain on it. It is a sanitary design, does have it's out of food service. It does have a fully polished finish, has coated, Teflon coated bearings, running quiet, smooth, what we look for. This particular one is, we've just put a new winding in the existing Euro drive, which is a 1/2 horsepower. It's a through the hole type reducer. We're operating on 220 3-phase voltage. We're going to leave the existing conduit work on there if you want to install a small 110 outlet or something at the end of it. It's a nice design that the body extends up beyond the conveyor surface, so you do have that little bit of natural rail, shall we call it. We have lots of conveyors in our stock, as well as everything in pot processing and packaging, so we do look forward to you visiting our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.